NMN plus Biosirin contains 320 milligrams of NMN per serving versus Ultimate NMN, which has got 400 milligrams per serving. So the first difference is that the Ultimate version has got more NMN per serving. Then the other difference is that NMN plus Biosirin contains Biosirin, and Biosirin is a compound that consists of gynostemma and bicaline, two metabolic herbs, right, that help to support your metabolic system. So if you're facing challenges with your metabolism, then you want to go for NMN plus Biosirin. But however, if you are taking medication, or if you do not have a very severe health condition, and you want to also see a very fast and pronounced effect of the NMN on, let's say, your skin, then you want to go for the Ultimate version because it contains all the other cofactors and antioxidants as well, including pterostilbene, which is a similar kind of antioxidant to resveratrol, but much more bioavailable. And so the combination of Ultimate in terms of the efficacy and in terms of the effect is definitely a lot faster than NMN plus Biosirin.